Oh yeah, just get a hard park. All right. Alright guys, so what comes in the Griot ceramic headlight restoration kit is this little thing that you could hold and goes on your sandpaper. This is 1000 grit, 2000 grit, and 3000 grit. So you're going to start with the 1000, the most aggressive, 2 and 3. This is a oxidation remover. You're going to be doing this first, and then this is your ceramic coating for the final product, and to finish it off and make it look all pretty. So we're gonna get started. Car's already washed, and we're gonna start sanding. First we're gonna mask it off with some blue painter's tape if we got that. Let's see what we got. Definitely not that. We need some blue painter's tape would be ideal. So we're gonna look for tape and then mask it off. Pour. We got duct tape. We're gonna make it do. Really, you want masking tape, blue painter's tape. This is not really what you want. Really, we don't have to tape off as much here. It's more like the body lines. You don't want to, so you just go like this. Duct tape's annoying to rip sometimes. So
nice.
You don't have to mask off here. Just here.
So condensated, whatever you call it.
Oxidized. Yeah. So we're gonna. There's only so much saving you could do to the headlights until they're just shot. I think there's some life still in these headlights, and they're gonna definitely look better than they used to. And we'll try out this Griot's kit. See how it comes out. Got it from AutoZone. 35 bucks.
2 uses.
Yeah, it has 2 uses, so see how it goes.
It's the oxidation remover. This is what hazes it all up, and then we'll sand off all the hazing right after this.
Well, it's pretty yellow and gross, which is good. It's what you want. Headlight looks pretty good. It's not done, but that's the first step compared to that. So they're looking good so far. Big difference already. So first step done. So I stabbed a hole in the bottom of the water bottle, since we don't have a spray bottle, but next step is to rinse it with water after.
You wipe it completely dry right after.
Yep.
Shows you it works.
Yeah, it's gross.
So now once it's all wet, I'm going to
dry it off with a dry microfiber, and then you're ready to sand.
Step.
Alright, next step, we're gonna start sanding. 1000 grit sandpaper. They say just keep this wet as well as the headlight wet. This is the sandpaper, sticks on this little.
1000 grit?
Yep. Start with 1000, then 2000, and then 3000.
Same process. 3 to 4 minutes it says, and not in circular motion so you don't scratch the headlight. And we're just gonna
let's rinse
go
this.
up and down.
If you had a spray bottle, that's ideal.
Yep.
And I'm gonna wet the headlight a little bit.
This is our rigged spray bottle here.
Yeah, it works. We got duct tape.
It's
we
nice.
got the rigged water bottle.
I don't have painter's tape. So
Nah, we're doing it the
It's very rigged. That's alright.
Yeah, it's alright. Spread this up. Make sure it's nice and wet. Keep it wet. Have this here. And non-circular motion. So we're gonna do. Not too much pressure. So I'm just going.
Just go up and down around the whole thing.
And the reason for the tape is for if we didn't have tape right now, it would be, see, it's getting a little dry. Whoop,
That's not the one.
there we go. And we're gonna wet it up a little bit. It's getting a little dry. Keep it wet, just like play by your car. The duct tape is for protecting the paint, so you don't sand your paint. I don't think any of you guys would like to do that.
It's also for the applicator that we just used, the oxidation remover. That stuff's not supposed to touch paint according to Griot, so that's why they say that.
Yes. All right, 1000 grit is done. We got 2000 on here. I'll show you guys. 2000 grit sandpaper.
Starting to look super oxidized, which is a good thing. This is what you want.
This is exactly the look. Whoa, wrong way, squirter. What the? There we go. Wet it up again, and then same process. I do up and down, non-circular motions.
Yeah, now this is 2000 grit, so.
Yep, it's gonna get even more gross looking.
Yep.
Alright, so this is after the 3000 grit sandpaper went up and down, not circular motions, for like 3-4 minutes about, and this is what it looks like after. Rinse it off, and then you just dry it with a microfiber. Looks disgusting, but that's
all
what you
foggy.
want. Yep.
And then we apply the ceramic wipes that it comes with, and
It should look
it's
pretty
supposed
close
to erase
new.
all this, but we'll see. Now we're applying the ceramic headlight coating. Just this, it's folded, and then you just wipe up and down motion, one coat, and you just allow it to dry.
Specifically one coat, they said.
Yep. Look at that.
It's nice.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my
That's
god.
brand new.
Honestly, look at that.
Yeah,
That's pretty crazy, honestly. Brian's talking trash over here.
That looks.
Kind of shit, to be honest with you.
Dude, look at all of it. Just come. Look, one wipe. Boom.
Do one circular motion, you won't.
No, I
No.
won't. You're right. I won't.
Do 2 coats.
No.
Nah, only one. Griot
Miss
said.
a spot.
Miss a spot.
No one missed a
No,
spot.
He's putting another coat on.
No.
There's an overlap. Thank you.
It's tossed.
Is it total?
That's nice.
Dude, look at that.
Looks really good.
Holy crap.
That's sick.
Yeah, show them the bottom of the rack. See how dirty it is.
Awesome.
That's good to me.
Do a comparison. Get to the other side.
Yeah. Other side. Disgusting. Look at all that
This is
oxidation.
awesome.
And then this is the final product. It says let dry for 60 minutes before driving. So that's what we're gonna do. We can take the tape off whenever. Probably let it dry first, honestly.
Yep. And I'll just take this with like some spray wax.
Yeah.
Get it off, and that's
Clean it off. That's little sand marks. But it looks amazing. We'll wait 60 minutes. Hopefully it stays just like that. If it does, then I highly recommend this product. Alright, so it's been a few hours later.
Yep, we're at a meet now.
We're at a car meet.
It's a nice day, and so we finished the headlights. I definitely recommend the product because they came out looking brand new. Like as you guys saw in the video.
We'll see how long they stay. Excuse a random car, but the headlights really look good.
Came out looking brand new. It was the coolest thing. Like you as you guys saw, it all fogs up with that just ceramic wipe. It just takes everything right off. It's the coolest thing.
So highly recommend it.
For $35, you could like
$35 bucks at your local AutoZone.
Yeah.
I'll link it down in the description. And we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts like they say. They say here. They say it lasts a car lifetime. I would say it lasts, if they say a lifetime, like 3 years. Hopefully. Even if it's like a year and a half, it'd be nice. But we'll see. I highly recommend it. Let's just hope it stays. Alright guys? Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.